Guthamio kwa arutani anene kuuma mathukuru-ini maria mararũgamagĩrĩra kinyagia mathukuru-ini mangĩ ni umwe wa maundu maria marehete wari mwari ruhonge-ini rwa githomo kuria kiumia kihituku mwandiki munene wa kiama kia Arutani guku bururi-ini Wilson Sossion arutire mukana wa gutabania mururungano wa kuregana na itua riri.
From Kericho County will follow.
Ona kuhana oro uguo, Minista wa githomo Fred Matiang'i uria kwaragia hindi ya kurugurio kwa mutaratara wa Wings to Fly kuria arutwo aria maraingira thiini wa thukuru cia secondary mwaka uyu ndaroneka kuguoyohio ni mikana ino akihinyiriria bata wa ugaruruku uyu.
I don't understand why a principal from Siaya cannot be principal in Kiambu. I don't understand why a teacher from Loitoktok cannot be a principal in Kisumu. My good people, let me speak more bluntly like the prophets of old. The foolishness with which we have lived must come to an end. And we must be honest with one another and do the things that are good for our country. We should stop lying to each other. We have been trained to go and teach. Let's go and work and serve our children. Serve all these children God has given us, wherever we serve them.
Oho Matiang'i ni ahinyiririe ati no meguthie na mbere gwika mogaruruku ruhonge-ini rwa githomo na matikuguoyohio hari gutigirira githomo ni kiagacira.
God has blessed us abundantly. Let's move forward and develop our country and forget this parochialism that has characterized the way we live, the pettiness with which we engage in debate. Let us do it elsewhere, but let's not bring it to education, because here is where we want now to raise a true generation and an integrated country for Kenya. And all of you people should join us and should join the government and support President Kenyatta's effort to move our country to the next level as an integrated society by supporting quality education.
Age aria megwikinyitie igongona-ini riri ni Minista wa Mai Eugene Wamalwa uria ugathiriirie mogaruruku maria matacukitio ruhonge-ini rwa githomo.
It is not an easy thing when you are implementing reforms. What we want to urge, particularly from our legislators who are here, is a bipartisan approach to all matters of education. That we all support CS Matiang'i, the PSs, the experts who are leading the reforms in the education sector for the sake of our children.
Ihinda-ini riu Matiang'i ni augite thirikari ni igite keheri-ini kigina gia kuigana gukinyaniria mutaratara mweru uria uraruguririo mathukuru-ini tamu-ini ino. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.